So guys, I'm eating this hot chicken flavor ramen. It's supposed to be one of the hottest noodles out here. So I'm cooking it right now, and looks like it's some type of seeds or something. This comes in this with this package to put the seeds in there, and we have a few hot sauce. I guess this is hot sauce. I don't know what kind of sauce this is, but it's liquid. And so I'm gonna let this cook, and I'm gonna see how hot it is. I like ramen noodles and I like hot stuff, so I'm gonna let y'all know. Alright. Here's the hot noodles. Yes. See, this is not no joke. This is super hot right here. Yes. Now burning, eyes watering. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so hot. This is so hot. It's the hottest kind that they have. I got it from the Chinese store. Chinese supermarket. Eyes watering. See that? Eyes watering. Like, y'all see that? Oh